I don't know if you can hear that wind or not, but we are dealing with wind and rain and all tonight. This seems to be the wraparound part that is getting us tonight from Hurricane Helene. Guys, it's bad. It's bad over in western North Carolina. But big day tomorrow. I've got the teardrop put back together. We have taken that thing completely apart and done a good bit of work to it. But it's back together. It's ready to roll tomorrow. But we are going to be going to NATR Fest tomorrow to meet up with Southern Paddler. We're going to have a booth set up there, and our booth is, my understanding, is going to be the teardrop and my truck. And we're going to be letting people kind of look it over, look at it, talk to us a little bit, you know, shake hands, promote our YouTube channels a little bit, hand out some stickers. I'm gonna be there till a little after lunch. I do have to leave a little early though, because we're gonna be leaving straight from there and going on a camping trip. Morning, guys. It's early. It's not as early as I really wanted to leave, but it'll be all right. But I've got a lot going on today. We're on our way to Decatur, to Point Mallard Park, to NATR Fest. We're going to meet up with Dan, Southern Paddler. We're going to do a little, not really a meet and greet, just we're going to set up the teardrop and the truck, and we're just going to kind of hand out stickers and, you know, talk to folks and stuff. I'll be leaving straight from there and going to meet up with the guys. We're going to do a little truck camping tonight. So excited about that. A little overlanding. I do have the teardrop behind me. Come along. It's going to be a long couple of days. Wind may be a little rough. Dan's down there. But we're set up. Crowd's a little sparse right now because it's about 10 o'clock, so it's just been going for about an hour. But weather's not great, but not much can be helped about that. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and check out all the overland rigs. We got several here. It's one of my ag teacher buddies. What's up, Dan?
Woohoo! Loving this, loving the sunny south.
Yeah. It's one thing about it, you never know in September.
Last year we burned up, and this year we got on hoodies and flannel shirts.
Yeah, last year was miserably hot. This year it's just almost too cold.
So we have our asset map, and it's like definitely phase one. I'd like to be able to click through to.
That's pretty sweet.
It is the most comfortable sleeping than everything here combined. 12-inch queen size memory foam
But
mattress.
where do you get your airflow?
So, which way do we want to do it?
Like, well, like if you go
I've got, right here, I've got 12,000 BTUs of air conditioning. I can hang meat in here in August in Alabama. That's exactly. Yeah, no, hooked up to the out of the way.
It's been a while. It's been about 4 months since I've recorded the podcast, and we picked the windiest day, but I promise you these little wind socks are blocking a lot of the wind out. So, but joining me today is Dan, Southern Paddler. So we are leaving Decatur. Well, we got to stop and get gas here in a second. It's a little after 1 o'clock. I'm headed to part 2 of my day, headed to Stevenson for a camping trip. So, a little disappointed in the crowd, but you know, it's the weather, man. You know, it's nature, baby. It's nature, baby. But you know, it was a nature fest. Today we were dealing with the bad side of nature. So, but now we are headed on to Stevenson. I got to stop and get some gas though. Don't let me forget that. All right, we're here. I see James's truck. See Larry? See JR? We here?
But I like the red.
I hadn't tried one of them yet.
Haven't tried the red. The red's got a little bit more of a mellow flavor to it.
Mm.
If you pick them green, they ain't done. They ain't ripe yet.
Brad did good picking the onion.
And that onion is hot, by the way.
Yeah.
Might not be that one, but there's some of them I just fished out of the hole and they're a little warmish. A little bit warm.
Ooh. Oh.
Wow.
Where you gonna park the dirty utensils?
Here you go. Just set up a plate for them.
Howdy. Sneaks up on people.
Okay, Brad. Thing is, you need multiple spatulas because this one gets like a turkey leg after a while.
All right, Sam. Y'all need any help? Good. See y'all next time.
Have a good and enjoyed it.
Yeah, enjoy it. Thanks for the chicken.
Oh, very much so.
We're headed out. Didn't do a whole lot of. didn't do a whole lot of filming on this camping trip. Just kind of sat around, relaxed, and enjoyed the company, and sat around the fire and talked, and it was a good trip. It was a good trip. I would show you, here, let me show you this. I think we're getting out of here just in time. We got some clouds building to the west. There was a line coming down a while ago. So I think we may be getting out of here just in time. Well, all right, guys. I'll probably end it here, barring some, amazing something happening. Thanks for tagging along with us today. Today and yesterday was a whirlwind trip. We just had a lot of stuff. Had a good trip, had a good day yesterday, had a good night last night, had a good day today. We're looking at a date for another trip. So Mr. Poe said he would love to do another squirrel gumbo trip. That's typically a 2-night trip for us, because we go one evening and one morning and shoot some squirrels. Then we cook them for supper the second evening. And so that's kind of what we've got that out there on the calendar planned. We're going to try to get that done. So yeah. Alright, guys, remember, get out there and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. See you guys. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures.